Hello everyone! Welcome to the Simon Says Stamp Rest and Relax Release and Review. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, I have most of it here. Couple items I don't have, but I'll have links to those as always. The one thing I don't have and that I need to order because I'm super excited. So many people. This was in the last release. This is the Daisy Bouquet stamp set. It was in the last release that I love. They listened. There's coordinating wafer dies for this, so yay. When there's enough requests, Simon delivers. So I'm super excited that there's coordinating dies for this set because I want them. So there's that. There's a really cute like bumblebee set that was released. Oh, and Suzy's watercolor cards. Those pre-printed cards that you can color up. Those were released as well. And I think that was everything that I didn't get. I'm pretty sure. If not, like I said, well, I'll have links like I always do. Anywho, so much fabulousness. Of course, this one jumped out at me. This was the Wildflowers stamp set. This is a 6x8 set. This set is huge and I love it. Already posted a video using it because I did gold and white, of course. It also looks beautiful on black. Love, 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 love. There'll be a link to this hopefully here or at the end of the video. It's on my blog, etc. So love this set so much. So I have that one. And then we have this one. This is another 6x8 set. This is the Home Sweet Home stamp set. And we've got this great like thanks for your kindness. I really like this one because it's like, ooh, there you go. I can never have enough thank you cards. And this really nice like wreath stamp with all these leaves. So you can do that and then have like a little sentiment, you know, going across it, etc. You've got Home Sweet Home, enjoy every moment, congratulations. Love lives within our hearts. Start each day with a grateful heart. So really nice. You could do like little like art prints and things that you could frame. That's what I was thinking when I was looking like in this home, everyone is loved, memories are made, and friends are family. Like, you know, it would just, if you have, especially if you have like a little gallery wall, etc., you could have like little framed cute things that you could make. I just think that's really fun. So love it. So we've got that one. And then we have this really cute, this is the summertime, not summertime, summertime. All these fun little images. I like that you can kind of build them. Like you shine bright. Life with you is a picnic. Life with you is so fun. Life with you is fresh. Life with you is a blast, you know? So it's just cute. Like, dear friend, you shine bright. Dear friend, you are my sunshine. You know, a little avocado with the happy face. Just a cute little set. There's that one. I'll get to the nautical stuff in a sec because there's like dies and stuff too. So yeah, I'll get to that in a sec. We have this really big, another big set. This is the Ornate Alphabet. There was already that background stamp, etc. So this could like really play with that. Again, 6x8 stamp set. So these are big. Like really, really nice. They're like 1.25 inches high. So really good size. I would heat emboss these with like different colors of embossing powder. But you could, if you really wanted to, you could stamp them and then like color them. You know, and really get a really graphic. I would just then do just the letters, especially if it's a card. I would do just the letters if I was going to color them. And then leave everything else very clean and simple. Because these are pretty busy. But yeah, really fun. So I have that one. Okay, and these are nauticals, so I will get to those in a second. And then another 6x8 set I'm kind of excited about. This is the Say It All Friend. I've already used this. I used this on the wildflower cards. I'll have another card, which I'll show in a second. But yeah, tons and tons of sentiments. Thank you, thankful for you, here for you, thinking of you. Whole bunch of sentiments. I'm hoping that this might be a series. Like we have Say It All Friend. I'm hoping there's going to be like other sets like this, you know, with the mix of sentiments, but in different themes like birthday, thank you, all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? I think that would be really, really nice because you could never have too many sentiments. And I really like ones like this that can go on the inside of cards. Yes. So that. And then my favorite background, the round and round background. I love it. Absolutely love it. Anything more like graphic type, geometric, that's the word I was going for. It started with a G. Anyway, geometric style backgrounds for me because you can use them for everything. So I have used this. I gotta edit this video like as soon as I'm done filming this. It's so fun. White heat embossed, watercolored. Love. Like, I don't know. There was something about this. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I want to stamp and watercolor this. So fun. So we've got that one. And all of Simon's backgrounds are red rubber on cling foam. And then the image is printed onto the stamp. So love that. So we've got that one. And then we have a whole bunch of Wafer Dies. So we've got 2 new Peking images. They've been releasing more and more of these, and I just think they're so cute. So we have the Peking cat and the Peking pup. So this is an A2 size card, just to give you an idea. And of course, like, shakers. These would make such easy shakers, because back it with some acetate, put in some foam tape, fill it with a few sequins, and you got like really cute little shaker cards. Aren't those adorable? They're so cute. I just love them. So we have those 2. And then we have more filigree wafer dies. So we have the filigree flower. And I didn't pop any of these out. You totally can. Like, you can pop all these elements, you know, out of the card base. So then they can like go in front of color cardstock. You could sponge some cardstock, add some glitter paper. You could inlay this if you really want to. That would look gorgeous. So yeah, we've got the filigree flower. Let's put that right there. Then we have this really pretty, this is the filigree wreath, and same thing. I just didn't want to pop out. I just thought it looked so pretty with everything in. But again, you could totally pop those out really easily. And then back it with color cardstock, etc., etc., etc. Add a sentiment. Love. Like, just these, all these filigree ones that Simon's been doing are just gorgeous, and I love them. So we've got that one. And then that's nautical, we've got these 2. Let's get to these 2 before we get to that one. So we have the hexagon element, which goes really good with that B set. So it'll cut this little frame and then all these little hexagon pieces. So you could use either or both. You know, cut them from different colors, inlay them, use just the hexagon pieces, use just the little frame image. Like, it's just a nice element that you can add to the background, etc. So I really, really like that. So that's the hexagon element. And then we have the thanks frame, which die cuts the word, the centerpiece, and then this little frame. So you could use different colors of cardstock. You could inlay it. You can use just the word, which is what I did here. I used just the thanks word on my card. So I like that this has options, and it's 2 wafer dies. It die cuts this frame piece, but it also die cuts the one die cuts this little piece with the frame, and then the second die cuts a rectangle that will layer with it. So you actually get like extra pieces. So you could use just the frame on this, and then just the word without the inlay piece, just depending on the look you're going for, which I, again, really like. So that one's really fun. So we have that one. And then we have the nautical themed products, which are really, really nice. So we have this great, this is the waves background. And I like this because, again, I was like, oh, just stamp that and then watercolor it. Do similar to the circle one I did and just kind of overlay the colors. You get such a nice background, but you can also just stamp it, like stamp it in black or just stamp it in white, stamp it in blue, you know. Can always get so much of that. So there's that one, and then we have the anchors background. Love. I just want to heat emboss that. I think that was like, oh, heat embossing it in gold on like navy. Yes. So we got those 2. And then we have this great stamp set. This is the Your Light stamp set. So you got the like lighthouse, you have a sailboat, whole bunch of sentiments. I really like these sentiments. You are strong, I'm here for you, adjust the sails. Like all these like images, they're just great. Like let your dreams set sail, your light shines from within. Like so many elements too to create a really pretty scene. Like this is just a really pretty set. I'm not really into nautical per se because I'm in the middle of the country. Like I'm in the most landlocked location possible. Like the ocean is far away from here. So nautical is not something I go for, and yet I love it. I love the look of it. You know, it just, there's something about it. So all this stuff, I was like, ooh, I have no one that I know that I could give cards to using any of this stuff. And yet they're just gorgeous. I think they're absolutely fabulous. There's something about, you know, anchors and sailboats and ocean waves and all that stuff that I just think is fabulous. So, you know, the whole Cape Cod style of things. Love it. So we've got those, and then we've got a couple of really great stencils. This one I love. It's nautical stripes, but I'm like, ooh, this could actually work to like maybe make a really cool plaid too. So really fun. Love it. We've got that one, and then this one is cool, fun. This is the BOUYS. Is that how you pronounce it? I always question myself every time, like how I say it in my head, but I think that's how you pronounce it, is BOUYS. But yeah, really fun, hey? So we got those ones. And then last but not least, we have a couple of Wafer Dies. Let me grab my A2 cardstock. So we have two. We have the Anchor Wafer Die, which is just the anchor. And it die cuts, and I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but there's also like impressions that give it just that little bit of extra detail and dimension. So yeah, it die cuts and embosses. So that's the anchor. And then there's the anchor tag, which die cuts this really fun tag with the stitch edge. And then you also have, you can use it just like that. And again, cute shaker. Hello. Another little anchor. This one's a little smaller than the one for here. So yeah, there are those. And then last but certainly not least, we have a couple of really fun sequin mixes. We have the Marina mix. So yeah, really fun color combo. I really like this. I think it's just really fun. So that one, and then this one, which is my like favorite. This is the Strawberry Shortcake, and that's what inspired, and it's like it's on this card, but that's what inspired the colors for this card. Because love. So yeah, really, really fun. So that is the rest and relax release in a nutshell. As always, there will be links below the video. I'll have them linked to my blog post. I'll link the release. I'll link to everything individually. You can check that all out in the description box below. Thank you guys, as always, for watching, for thumbs upping, for commenting, for sharing, all of it. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Bye!